Well, hi everyone. We're here in the mall. What mall is it? What's it called?
Moalboal.
I know Moalboal, but what's the mall for? If you heard that, that's we're here. There's two malls in Moalboal, and we're in the second one, I call it, the furthest one away from the centre. Just here for a browse, actually. Looking at furniture at the moment, which is a bit worrying, because it's not cheap. Not that I'm a skinflint by any means, but there's a price there. Can't see without my goggles on. Let me just see the 22,000. Yeah, that can stay on. That can stay on display. Nice. You like that? Wait a minute. I'll show everybody. You like that style? Sorry about turning the camera around like that. Look at the stairs there. Little Christmas trees all the way up the stairs. I think it's cute. Right, so what we're looking for? We're looking for rubber washers. I don't think we'll find them in here, but we'll have a look. Okay, still in the mall here at Moalboal. Look at all this Christmas stuff. Must admit, it does look good, but come on, it's only the middle of October. However, we've got to swing with things in the Philippines. We just walked up these stairs. Look at this. Christmas trees all the way up the stairs. It's so cute. Look at that. Oh. I hope I don't get in trouble from YouTube because there's music playing in the background, which is all Christmas music. Oh, there she is. It's all Christmas music, so I don't think there's a copyright issue there, but we'll see. I just asked her what we've come upstairs. We're upstairs in this mall now. I've just asked her what we've come up here for, because we just put all the stuff in storage, in security of the stuff we bought downstairs. Oh, where's she going now? It's hard to keep up with. So I asked her what we've come up here for. She says, oh, nothing, it's hot outside. Oh great, okay, so we walk around a store which is air conditioned, which is nice, because it's too hot outside. Go figure. I think she's got an ulterior motive. Morning! How are you?
We're good.
Yeah, hot?
Yeah, so hot.
I'm hot too. Huh? Oh, there she is. What are you looking for, babe?
Nothing.
Nothing. Window shopping.
Window shopping.
The benefit of doing window shopping is you shop from the outside, not the inside. That way you can't spend any money. Is that the one you need?
Yeah.
No, will that honestly make you look more beautiful? Yeah?
Oh. Ah, this is not.
Oh, that's very red. So what you want?
You need to.
Of course, if you didn't keep losing your lipstick, you wouldn't need to buy any more. No?
I did not know what happened to my lipstick. That lipstick is expensive now.
Look at all these different things. I mean, I would hate to be a woman in the sense that just choosing lipstick, it could take all day with all these different colours. And I mean, I've just been to get some shaving gel, and I had a choice of one. That suits me fine.
Because your problem is for your bum.
My what?
For your bum, yeah?
My bum?
Yeah, that's why you want to buy a sofa.
Yeah.
Yeah, come here. We'll have a quick solution for that, and you don't have to carry the sofa.
You've got a quick solution for me getting a sore bum sitting on hard seats all day.
Oh, this one.
What the? What the heck? Oh, babe.
You need to wear this.
Ah, that will be shining bright.
This is brown.
Is that what you want?
No.
I think I would rather buy a sofa. Oh, dear me. Well, if we pass this baby stuff without her looking too strong.
That.
Oh, just what I've just been saying. I was just about to say, if we passed all the baby stuff without her looking at it, I'm okay, I've nothing to worry about. And then as soon as I start saying that, she says she wants that little baby buggy. I think she was joking though. I like the hat. Oh, music. Right, this will be interesting. We're looking for sofas. As she just said, when we get our own washing machine.
What?
I'm telling them what you just said. When we got our own washing machine, she'll make her own curtains. I thought, how does that compute? I mean, how does a washing machine help make curtains? She meant sewing machine. They don't sell sofas, babe. Oh.
Babe, let's buy a
Let's buy what?
face mask.
Face mask?
You don't need to buy every day.
I've got loads of them in my bag in the room.
Oh yes, and I have two, but we didn't use.
It is what?
Yeah, we have.
We've got those,
That.
I've got those black ones.
Yeah, me too.
Yeah, you too. Yeah, I gave you a load.
No, I bought mine.
Oh, you bought your own? Okay. Okie dokie.
I'm gonna find a sofa here, so the best solution for that for your bum is that one that yeah, you look good.
I look good? You look good? Okay, look. Oh, that's better. Huh?
Okay, let's go to the counter now.
Oh, we finished shopping. More sofas.
Look at prices of the aircon.
And the aircon.
This is 14.
14,000. That one, 16,000. Oh, that's a bit
Not
blurry.
converter, I guess.
Oh, it's only 9.9 pesos, look.
No, 9.9 energy.
Ah, okay. Mahogany? 43,000. Yep, you can stay there. Ah, the music. That's generic Christmas music though, I think, so. Apologies for the music, everyone. There's not much I can do about it. Oh, music, music, music. That'll be cheaper. What's that, babe?
This price is only for this.
It's only for the
center
table? Oh, it's not for the set. Okay. So how do you find out how much the sofas are?
This is Bonnie J, like this.
No, I like that. Oh, see, if I had that, babe, you'd never see me. I'd be sleeping all day. Why don't they put the prices on their sofas?
I don't know.
Huh? Now that's ideal for me because it doesn't have end pieces, so I can hang the legs out over the other side. I do like that one actually. You're not allowed to sit on them. Well, it's a bit firm, but how much is it? Does it say on the back there? Alright. I do like this one though.
Huh?
I do like that one. Because we can all sit on that one. No price.
Yeah, no problem.
50,000 gitu.
Right, we just had a demonstration of this bed. The sofa, I should say. It falls down into a bed. Yeah.
Hindi ko kasi ang tao ma'am, kaya saan kita status ma'am?
Right, we're back from our shopping trip to Moalboal. We do the obligatory unpacking. First of all, Gillette can't get the foam, so I had to get the gel one for shaving foam, well, shaving gel. Can't find the foam one, maybe we don't have it here. Milk. Oh, I'm not going to unpack that. There we go. Long life milk. Essential for the coffee in the morning. Oh, what's this? Oh, how do you say that? Muriatic acid, ready mix, for cleaning toilet bowls, apparently. Fresh deodorant, because I stink sometimes, probably. We've got a leaking tap outside, so we got this to replace the leaking one. And it's an outside tap on the outside of the house, which some of the local people use for their water, so part of the agreement of the house. So they pay us for it, of course, but it's leaking, so we're going to replace it with this one. I know what somebody are thinking, says, well, hang on a minute, if you're renting a house, surely all these leaks that you've had to fix, and there's still some I need to fix, hence the rubber washer issue. But in the UK, yes, you would say to your landlord, come and get this fixed, it's their responsibility. But here, no, it's different. You want it fixed, you fix it yourself. Another thing we got was this ant chalk. I'm not sure how to use that yet, but we'll figure it out. But apparently that's one of the best things to get rid of ants. That's a whole new video I could make on that. I mean, I love ants. I really got a keen interest in ants, but I don't really want them in the house. So we haven't got a big problem with ants. It's just that if they get a bit of food somewhere, they come in their droves. So here's some cosmetic stuff. I might add, not for me, not my colour of lipstick. Oops. Keep the receipts. Milk and rice, baby powder. Okay, not for me. I don't know who that's for. No, these are Clyde, I assume. And lipstick, which she eventually found. Detergent for the washing clothes. Plenty of packets over in there. Head and Shoulders shampoo, 2 packs of sachets. I still haven't got round to convincing her to buy a bottle of shampoo, but no. These are individual sachets, there's 3 servings in that, for example, so there's quite a lot there. Head and Shoulders, but I don't have dandruff. Exactly. I remember the advert from years ago on TV. And what else have we got here? Oh, that's just cardboard. That's it. So that was our trip to Moalboal.
What are you going to do?
I am going to try and fix this leak. I'm going to take that old faucet, as you call it, off and put this new one on.
That's good.
If it's the right size.
So, yeah, that's 1/2.
It's not the right one, babe.
No, it is.
Well, we'll see. We shall see. It's not the right one, because that doesn't fit in there.
That was very thin.
It doesn't have to be thick, babe, it's the texture of it that stops, that seals it. like a very thin rubber.
Okay.
But it is very thin, yeah. Start on a different thread. Maybe.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, that's it.
No. Still the same, babe.
No.
It might go a wee bit further.
Yeah.
That's better than nothing. Right, let's turn the motor on.
It's done.
This pipe allows me to have a hot shower.
Oh, that's good. That's good.